Welcome to Professor Bia's Happy Science Hour. I'm here with my assistants UV and Vis.
Hello, Professor.
We're excited to introduce the NanoPhotometer's ability to reliably quantify nucleic acid and protein concentrations even in a drop.
Here's a UV Vis scan of a nucleic acid sample.
A xenon lamp flashes the sample, returning light to the detector. The scan only takes 2.5 seconds.
Then the Beer-Lambert law determines the sample's concentration?
Yes, a complete UV Vis spectrum from 200 to 900 nanometers determines concentration and purity, and shows a warning for impurities or bad readings.
All without pricey consumables or extensive sample prep. Just apply a drop of sample onto the head, measure, and wipe off after the reading.
Astounding! And there's more?
The NanoPhotometer NP80 is all-in-one, offering a built-in vortexer, microvolume, and standard cuvette absorbance capabilities.
So the vortexer mixes samples before each reading, ensuring uniformity for precise measurements?
Exactly. Its low vibration and energy mean gentle homogenization even for delicate samples. Here's how you measure.
Can you control the NP80 from your phone?
Yep. The flexible unit control works via USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi with tablets, smartphones, PC, or Mac. It's customizable too, with built-in programs for protein assays, OD600, kinetics in a cuvette or drop, and standard UV Vis spectroscopy applications. It stores methods and results in Excel and/or PDF format.
And it's so light and compact.
Plus, there is the N120 for 12 samples at a time and a battery option for most models to ensure flexibility inside and outside the lab.
Does the NanoPhotometer uphold good practice quality guidelines and regulations?
Certainly, the CFR21 software complies with FDA requirements and has optional software tools ideal for GXP laboratories. We even allow full integration in most LIMS software via our REST API.
How's this different from other spectrophotometers?
First is the TruePath technology, which offers two precise, unchanging path lengths, meaning no need for recalibration. Also, there's its sample compression technology. This patented feature offers unmatched precision for ultra-low sample volumes.
How about fluorescence?
We allow the quantification of dye-conjugated nucleic acids and proteins, like qPCR and microarray samples. We don't offer fluorescence.
When do you really need fluorescence?
Rarely. It's mainly used for ultra-low concentration and FFPE samples. Fluorescence is limited in addressable concentration range and won't test for sample quality. For a number of applications, fluorescence may deliver questionable results.
Wow!
Indeed, the NanoPhotometer line of UV Vis spectrophotometers is your best-in-class spectrophotometer option. And that's it. If anyone watching has questions, message us at support@implen.com. Thanks for viewing.